Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Ekascloud. Today in this video, I'm going to speak about the artifacts. Generally, when we are developing one project, means we will be concentrating on packaging the software. So to help the packaging, we would be using software artifacts. A software artifact is a tangible byproduct produced during the software development process so that it would include the function, architecture, and design of that software. So it will help developers analyze and know the tools used in creating such software by looking at the artifacts. So this is the use of creating artifact in a software development lifecycle. So when we go to Azure Artifact means, so in Azure DevOps, we have a package management solution that is Azure Artifacts. So this it could be coming as a SaaS product, software as a service product. This integrated to Azure DevOps so that it allows us to share various packages using public or private feeds. Any team can take advantage of these artifacts. So it is an open source tool for development teams to help with the management of their builds. We can set up a build in minutes using Azure artifacts without need to worry about the installation configuration of build servers. It is an advanced package management system. So if we are this Azure DevOps itself, it will provide the security, accessibility, and scalability, and then other artifactory solution that we have in our current existing system. The Frog artifactory we have, but we need to concentrate on the server part and its security, everything. But this Azure, the artifact is integrated with Azure account. We can enhance the security by making some credential provider login. That way, we can enhance the security and we can consume it to different as a public feed we can create so that it can be consumed in different environments. So let's see. So Azure Artifact Suites are organizational constructs that allow us to store, manage group of packages and control who to share it with. Feeds are not package type independent. We can store all the package types in a single feed. You can store npm, Nugget, Maven, Python, and the universal packages also. Let me go to this Azure artifacts. Suppose if I want to create a new feed means I have to give one name to my feed. Say, let's say my feed or new feed, I would say. So it can be shared with the members of, it can be viewed by the members of Azure Active Directory also, or this is my organization name. So with this organization members, if I want to share means, or if they want this organization team want to see means, I can mm, uh, change the scope to this organization and to some specific people only I want to change means I can do that one also. And this is all about upstream sources. That means it would include packages from common sources also. If you want to include here, we can use this upstream sources as well. So there are two types of scope we can enhance. One is project and another one is organization. Before this was used at the organization scope level only. Now the introduction of public feeds, there was only private feeds were used. But now the introduction of public feeds, the scope is changed to project level itself. So I'm just if I'm using create. Uh, just telling changing the name. So this is how we can create feed. So if you want to connect to feed means you can see where for .NET related package management, we can use these kind of nugget tools we can use. For JavaScript related, we can use NPM package management or Java related thing. We can use either Maven or Gradle. For Python, we can use uh, Python packages or Twine or else universal packages also we can use. Now they have introduced Cargo also. So anything, any popular package management tool can be integrated and it can be stored at one single feed. That is the beauty of this Azure, main benefit of using this Azure artifacts. So I have in this demo, I want to show you, I have created one artifact. Um Let me show you that one. So I have, if I go to artifact, so this is the artifact I have created. So this project feed artifact, the latest one, which I created was this one. This is the package that can be consumed by any in this organization. So I can, if I want to share it with the other project solution also, I can share. So how I created, I just explained. So for this one, I created a project in Visual Studio Code for creating artifact solution. Mainly, I want to create an artifact uh, package management. So I want to create and I want to consume the package. So for that one only, I created this uh, C sharp class library project. I just created. So while creating, I will show this one. So I will go and create a new project and here I choose an class library. So this way only I selected and I have created the project class library. So this way only I created this project and here I have created one simple core services that package. So which has some simple text that is this has some core functionality like I have some simple text that should be written. So this needs to be consumed as a package means I have to create a so this as this C sharp project I am going to create one nugget package management only I have to create. For that one I'm I'm downloading this nugget tool. So I don't have any nugget tool before this one. So I what I did I went to that Nugget gallery and downloaded the latest Nugget tool for this particular project. And once it is downloaded, I stored in my project location itself. So this is my local folder where I stored my exe file. That Nugget exe file also I stored it here. And one more thing I did it here, I just changed the property that is, if I go to this property, I changed the property as unbox, meaning to say it was for security reason, it was blocked mode only. So I just made it unblocked. So it would be, it can be consumed, it can be run from anywhere also. So that is that step I have done here. And and I have created a nugget config file here. In this file only, I'm going to install the Azure artifact details. So for this one, we have to uh, first we have to create a feed. So let me show you here how to create a feed. As we seen artifact, I'm going to let me go to connect feed. So I'm going to nugget. So if I'm going like this means, so connect to feed if I going means, so it would be latest version of credential provider we have to install. So if you go to the get the tools means, so you can see. So here first we have the first step, that is what I have downloaded the Nugget package. That is I have done. And step two, it would be asking us to download the credential provider if we are not having Visual Studio. Particularly Mac or Linux users may not have this Visual Studio, so they have to use this credential provider. In this link, they have given the step-by-step notes how to verify. So here they have given for different OS, they have given the description. So we can follow this description and we can use. So if you are having Visual Studio installed here means no need to worry about that installation. So directly we can do it from here itself. So I just open a file particularly to consume this details that Azure artifact details. That is, first we have to set up the project. So we have to add a nugget. First we have to download the nugget package. Then we have to add this nugget file to our project. It's in the same folder as their CS project or solution file running. So this is the key that we need to copy in this nugget.config file. So that's what I have done here. So we can see here the same. I have done it here, and I'm saving. I have saved this configuration also, and then we have to. Next step, we have to restore packages. So if you want to restore packages means we have to run this command. But to do this one, so what I first I need to that nugget config also I have done it. And next step, I have to pack this nugget package to first I need to pack this nugget to my artifaction CS project I have to do. For this one, I have to run this command. So if I run this command means, so it would be running this artifacts, and it would be creating this package. This in this name it would create artifact solution 1.0.0 nugget package. It would create the artifact package also. It would be created automatically. The nugget would be added to this solution project so that a package should be created. So now we have to publish then publish package by providing the package path and API key. We have to go and the feed URL if you are giving means. So that would be published for future use. So how to do it? So same command we have to copy and we have to give this one. So this one I have done using this command. So dot slash nugget exe push source artifact. This is that artifact name which I created before. And API key new. This is the some text I have to give. That API key is place. I have to give some string. I have to give. So I give a new artifact and artifact solution. This is the package detail. So I have to give this input here. So already this package was there. So it will definitely throw an error. So this is the command I have to run. So if I run, no, so automatically it will say already the solution exists. It will be sending. So now if I'm going to this Azure DevOps artifact means, so we can see the solution which I just feed which was ready to use. So if you go here, so if you want to install means, so you can install this package to your program list, or if you want to consume in any other project within this organization, or within different teams, if you want to use means, definitely we can consume. So by using this command we can use this artifact. So this is a small introduction to Azure Artifact package creation and mm, consuming it. So just creating and publishing it. So in our next video, we will see how to consume it as well. So thanks for watching. This is useful to you. See you in the next video. Thanks.